Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make pixel art, AI generated pixel art in Minecraft. Believe it or not, this is all Minecraft blocks. This is a very simple process to do. It's quite quick rather. But as you can see, this is some serious detail we've got. This is AI generated art that has just been made into a Minecraft picture. It looks a bit out of scale there from this perspective. It looks fine from the center though. Anyway, what you're going to need to do, just go ahead and log out of whatever world you're going to want to do this on. I'm just going to be showing you how to do it in a creative world for now. You can do it in survival, it's a little bit harder though. Go and select the world that you want to do. For this, you're going to go ahead and hit edit. Go and hit open world folder. This is going to open this little window here. I'm just going to put Minecraft down for a second here. And what we need is basically a data pack file. So currently I have the mural file in here. We're just going to take everything out of the data pack file we don't need for now. I've just dumped that out. What we're going to go ahead and do, just go to an AI image generator. It can be anyone. This one is deepai.org. Go ahead and insert whatever picture you want. You can just go ahead and hit download. You can also use pretty much any photo on your PC as well. I'm just going to save this to desktop. We can go ahead, put this away. If we just put this down here, we're going to have to resize the image that we want to make into the thing. So we have the image here on the desktop. We're going to go ahead and right click on that. We're going to go open with and then paint. And that's going to open the image with paint. We're going to need to resize it. So we're going to go ahead and hit on image. I'm just going to tap this little icon here. We're going to go ahead and tap this other icon. We're going to go ahead and select pixels. And depending on whether we want it to be even, but we can make it uneven as well. So I'm just going to leave the pixels the same here, and we're just going to type in 200, and that's simply because of how the bordering works. If you want and you've got enough space, you can actually do 300. I will try and just do a 300 one here, because just since the world border has, or the world height limit has actually been expanded enough that we can do this. Go ahead and hit OK. That'll resize it. I'd say 200 safer, or 100 actually. But if you want more detail, you're going to want to go with this one here. We've gone ahead and saved that. We're just going to rename this to something that we can remember. So we'll just click on this, hit this little icon here. This is for Windows 11. For Windows 10 it'll be quite similar. You just right click and it'll go rename. And it'll be different on Linux and Mac, but we can just go ahead and name it mural picture. This is what we want. Now after we've got this, we're going to go ahead and open up the browser we're using here, and we're going to go to mcstacker.net/murals. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down and hit choose file over here. We're going to select mural picture, and that should upload our mural picture to here. If it doesn't work, first go, it could be possibly that it needs to be resized smaller. So when we did this 300 by 300, this is just an example of how it can go wrong. We'll go and resize this to, make sure you go to pixels, not percentage too. You can change with the percentage, but it's better to go to pixels. And let's make this 200, just to be safe. And we'll hit save. Never mind, it's loaded. It just took a little while. We probably didn't need to do that, but we have now. We're going to just leave it at 300 blocks now that's loaded. This is the direction you want it to be facing. So you go into your press F3 to figure out which way you want it. I'm just going to leave it for default for now. Now over here, you do really want to put include a block. This is really laggy for some reason. You do really want to set glass blocks to not be a thing, but you can leave glass blocks in. It's not going to be the end of the world if you leave them in. And once we've done that, we're going to want to go and, oh, froze up a little bit there, but if we just go down here, we can go ahead and select glass blocks as blocks that we don't want. Can we select excluded? I'm not entirely sure how this works exactly. You definitely want to exclude glass blocks altogether, just because glass blocks will absolutely obliterate stuff here. Once you've gone ahead and selected glass blocks to be excluded, it should put them all in this little column here, so it won't use those. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm just going to go to the step 5 where it says mural zip download. We're going to go ahead and click this little download link here. Then we're going to go to the desktop. We'll just save it to the desktop for now. And we can get rid of these pages now. We don't require them anymore. It should give us a little mural thing. I think this is mural 1 now that we've already used one. So go ahead and delete this old mural. We might just keep it in the corner. But we should have the data packs folder open here. So once you've clicked open the world thing and there's a data packs folder, go into the data packs folder, which you access by hitting the open world folder button on the edit thing here. I'm just going to drag the mural in, like so. And then we can just cross this off and it's fine. Now what we're going to want to do is just go save, and we'll just log back into our world real quickly. We should be loaded in. Now we're just going to want to go and locate the place where we want to put the mural. Just loading in the chunks real quick here. I want to put the mural down over here. I've just got, what have I got here? I've got cinematic mode and F1 on. That's why it's a bit weird over here. I was going to do /function mural. When we hit this, it will generate our image that we have made. Now we've got a knight riding on a horse, and instantly makes it. This is an example of one that does not have glass. It's a much better image. And behind this image, if we just go into spectator so we can sort of go a little bit faster, here's an example of if you leave glass in. If you leave glass as an option in, you will just get random holes in the structure. And it looks fine probably from a distance, but it still looks a little bit sketch. It looks like it's unfinished. And the great thing about Minecraft is we can see it from both angles. Now we've got this block. If we actually go up close to it, we can see that this is in fact made of Minecraft blocks. Go ahead and hit FOV up. We can see that the face here is made of target blocks and cherry wood. Yeah, it does look a bit disturbing up close actually. In fact, that looks horrifying. This is a human face up close. But if we set our FOV to all the way out and we're far enough away, it just looks perfectly fine. Same with the other one. There's just AI images. You can do this with literally any image. You can take a photo of yourself and put yourself in Minecraft if you are so inclined. But yeah, that's how you make pixel art really fast in Minecraft. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.